Okay, this is Halo 3, the mission Floodgate, and I'm going to show you guys a weapon that's kind of hidden, and it might help you through this mission. It might help you like go through it faster. It's a flamethrower, and it's sort of hidden. It's like in a spot where you'd never look, but if you want to just go to it, it's closer if you go Rally Point Alpha. But if you just start the mission, I'm going to show you where to find it at, so it'll help you, kill the flood easier.
This is the carrier, Shadow of Intent.
Okay, now just go forward through the mission.
We deal with the flood. My brothers, the music is that deep. High carrier is fallen. Become a threat is high.
Okay, now whenever you get to this part of the Floodgate mission, if you want, you can go up these stairs and go inside of here where you see this wall of glass, and against the wall will be a flamethrower. The flamethrower is like the most powerful weapon against the flood, but if you don't feel like walking slow the whole mission, yeah.